Good morning, 9th standard students. Welcome to biology class. In the last class, we studied the shapes of the cell. So today, let us discuss what the cell is made up of. Okay, see, whenever you observe a cell under a microscope, you can see the three prominent cell organs. That is, cell membrane, cytoplasm or protoplasm, and nucleus. Okay, and today let us discuss about the cell membrane. See, we know that all the cells are living and it's a functional unit of a organism, right? So, how the movement of the molecules will takes place in a cell? Today we are discussing about that. Okay, see this cell membrane. Okay, it will be called as an permeable, semi-permeable membrane. Okay, semi-permeable membrane means what will happen? The cell will allow only very few organisms to inside the cell. Okay, it will act like a just security guard. Okay, imagine you are living in an apartment, isn't it? The security guard will not allow whoever come to the uh, uh, place and he will live inside, right? In the same way, the semi-permeable membrane means it will see which are the necessary for the cell and what are the organs will entering, it will allow. Okay, so that's why the cell membrane is called as an semi-permeable membrane. Okay, now see the first the gaseous exchange. See, for example, the carbon dioxide and the oxygen, isn't it? How it will takes place or how it will move from inside and outside of the cell. See, both we know the cell membrane, all the cells will actually the component of the cell will move by the process of an diffusion. Okay, diffusion, right? The movement of the particles from higher concentration to the lower concentration is known as an diffusion. And this for we have learned so many example, isn't it? Burning of the incense stick in one corner of the room, we'll get the aroma to the other corner of the room, and opening the perfume bottle, isn't it? We will get the smell till so many meters away, isn't it? These all work on the process of a diffusion, right? In the same way, okay, the carbon dioxide and the oxygen move inside and comes outside by the process of an this diffusion process. Okay, because here what will happen, the concentration will be the when the cell want to enter the oxygen, okay, it will move by the process of an diffusion. Understood? Then, okay, this is how the gases will move. Imagine what about the water particles? Okay, how the water will also move inside the cell. Okay, here we have to recall the osmosis, isn't it? You know what is osmosis? The movement of the particle from higher concentration to the lower concentration with the semi-permeable membrane is known as an osmosis, isn't it? For this, in the last year, I think we conducted the experiment also, the potato osmoscope, isn't it? So in the same way, the cell will move. See, for example, for show this osmosis, we can take one example. See, bring the cucumber or any vegetable, isn't it? If you keep outside without keeping in the fridge, isn't it? If you keep for one day, what will happen? It will look like little bit flaccid. Flaccid means in the sense dried. Okay, so again, if you put it in the water, isn't it? It will regain its original size and shape, and it will look very fresh. That is because of the osmosis. The water particle will enter inside the vegetable. Okay, so next we'll discuss about the other organelles in the next class. Okay, so today you have to write the difference between the osmosis and the diffusion in your notebook and show it to me. Okay, have a good day.